Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to take you on the journey of repairing the wife's new car, which is a 2007 Honda CRV we bought from Copart, where we said we shouldn't buy from. But we've gotten lucky so far. So it's supposed to be a running, driving, clean title car. Battery was toast in it, so we haven't even tried to get it to run. And I already ordered parts for it, so we're gonna get it to run either way. But I'll give you a walk around on it, kind of show you what is going to need to be done, and just kind of take you on the journey while doing it. Christian's putting tires on shop truck because they are bald. So let's dig in. So it doesn't say what the hit was. Christian and I are thinking deer because it's really up towards the top. The bumper, oh, that's much quieter. The bumper's good. This headlight's trash. Obviously the hood's trash. The radiator still holds coolant. The core support here is tweaked in quite a bit. Crumpled down there.
Not a big deal if you got a four-wheel drive truck to pull it out with.
No, we have a frame rack. Little ding there in the fender, little ding there. What it looks like is here is pushed in, which would crumple that down. So I'm thinking we're gonna have to do a pull here. Obviously the pull's over there and pull in the center to come out. Unfortunately, there's a Subaru on the frame rack, so I can't get it up there now. Plus, I'd rather have some of our new parts here. That way I can kind of see where it's fitting as we go back on. New headlights that are aftermarket. The grille is going to be aftermarket. The hood is going to be a used OEM. I still got to go down and pick it up. It's about an hour and 10 minutes away. But other than that, I mean, it looks like a very fair rig for the price. So we'll see when it's all said and done, but I'll set you guys up, do a time lapse, get some things pulled apart, and then get a better assessment. Okay, so I got both headlights pulled. This headlight was good. No broken tabs or anything, but it was cheaper to buy them in a pair, so I've got two new headlights that I don't have to worry about. One being oxidized and faded and one not. But pulling the stuff off, definitely looks a lot worse now, but like we had said, we got a frame rack, so I'm not too worried. See if I can get a video on the side, you can kind of see how tweaked everything is. Right here should be more like here. So everything's tweaked down. This is all twisted versus this side that's flat and flush, straight. Let me show you again real quick. Yeah, so basically I kind of got to wait until we get that one off. Once that is off the frame rack, this will go on, start doing some pulls on that. I'm going to leave the hood on for now because I don't know how long it's going to be before I can get it back in, and we have snow. So basically, I guess I'll probably end there for now, and we'll pick back up as soon as we get more time. Okay, so I got the core support pulled out a bit there. Let's see what I gotta deal with. So basically what I did was I got it to where it looks straight. I measured to make sure, you know, it's equal on both sides, cross measured, all of that. Basically it's just my starting point. If it needs to come out another 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, whatever, then I've got to, you know, do it both sides, measure everything. But as of right now, it is equal and everything. So got the hood thrown on. I'm gonna shut the hood, kind of see where we line up there, see where our fender gap is. Kind of just gives us a little bit better idea of where to go from here. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. It's kind of hard to see in there, but the latch should be over here. So either this is tweaked or the core support's tweaked. The hood came off of a non-wrecked vehicle, so I don't think the hood's the issue unless it's not set right. But this fender gap looks good. This side does not, but this fender is tweaked there. I don't think that has too much to do with it, but I think this fender itself needs to get moved. If I open the hood back up, you can see all that these mount to are these little. This is just one piece that goes up and one piece that goes up there. It's a very stupid design, if you ask me. It's basically, it comes up like that, and the fender bolts to that. So those tweak very, very easily. I think that'll tweak back. So I think the hood and hinges are set where they need to be. Yeah, you can see how bad that fender is. That sucks. I didn't realize it was that bad. Well, I'll mess with it. I really don't want to buy a new one. I think this issue up here is still core support. I'll probably throw the headlights in to see how those fit too, see if that helps point me in the right direction. If it had some damage. That was from them moving it, so I'm kind of pissed. But I'll put you back up on the stand there, and we'll go on from there. Okay, as you can see here, this headlight is pushed in this way. That one's pretty close. But basically what I'm going to try and do here is pull from right about there. I'm going to pull it. Here, let me prop the hood up real quick. I'm going to pull from there, and I'm going to pull this way in hopes to get that tab to come out a little bit. So it might be more this way, but it's only going to come out maybe a 1/2 inch or so. So another thing about this, when we pull, the metal comes back, comes out and then rebounds back in. So if we want to go a 1/2 inch out, we go more like 3/4, and then it flex back about a 1/4 inch or so. I do not want to damage my headlights, so I'm going to pull that back off, give that little pull, set that back in there, see how that fits. That fender is being a nightmare between the fender and the mount, so I'm kind of ignoring that for now. I'm gonna focus over here. Probably just gonna be the end of this video. The hood's got to get painted. I need the emblem for the grill yet. There's the dent there that I'll take out. The dent there. I'm not sure there's really a point in putting that stuff in the video. So there it is. I'll try to step back and see. But there's how we fix. I fix. Christian sits on his thumb.
I work on 6 liters.
No, we don't need to show it. There's how that's done in a professional shop.
Right.
So, hope you liked it. So that's it for this one. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up.
There'll never be another video. We're closing the shop.
It's full of crap.
I am, 100%. But
Give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends. Stay tuned for more fun stuff, but that's what we had going
probably
on right
not
now.
a whole lot more of that.
Not really.
Nah, it should be turbos, bike motors,
We have a fun one coming up.
finishing this truck.
Actually, we're shooting video for one that will come up later, but it's a really cool one. So stay tuned.
Exciting.